Today I'm going to talk about a comment that strikes at the very heart of the HVAC trade. How do you feel about guys that like to install their own units, like Mr. Cool? Do you hate them or do you really hate them? If you run a home service business like painting, contracting, lawn care, or cleaning, your to-do list is endless. From hiring staff to mountains of paperwork, not to mention doing the actual work that pays the bills. Jobber is a mobile and online app that helps you organize your business and look professional. With Jobber, you can quote jobs, schedule your crew, invoice, and get paid all in one place. Try it free today at getjobber.com/shoptalk. This is from Phil Burke 1902 on the Mini Split Brand is the Worst video. The upfront cost of a contractor purchased and installed unit is about 3 times Mr. Cool. The other point the contractor makes is we can work on the units that we sell and install. Remember, if your contractor installed brand unit fails, you think his install price was high? Wait until you see the repair bill for parts and labor. Wow! Basically, if your Mr. Cool unit breaks, you can buy 3 more units for the price and repair of the original contractor installed unit. My first Mr. Cool is on year 4 and working great. No disrespect for the AC trade. The good companies don't disrespect DIY. So here's what I think about this subject. If you want to install your own unit, you feel like you're capable of doing it, I say go for it. I mean, this is America, right? You can do whatever you want to do. If you want to build your own house and do it so the code enforcement people can't see you from the road, hey, go for it. I could care less. Honestly, I think there should be no code enforcement at all, anywhere, ever. Yeah, I think that's a good stance to have. But really, if you're going to do it, hey, you can do it. Obviously, this gentleman probably isn't getting any permit whatsoever. He's probably running his own electrical. He's probably doing all that work that requires permitting everywhere. In different areas of the country, there's leniency for homeowners who want to do some of their own work. I'm not sure what it's like in every area, but I'm pretty sure that you're not going to be able to do this everywhere. And let's take away the inspection department, because God knows I don't care anything about government, and I think it should be abolished anyway. I think we should be part of a series of warring fiefdoms in the United States, but that's just my plan, and no one listens to me. Thank goodness, right? If you want to go out there and install your own unit and do it in a way that, it may or may not work, who cares? Just do what you're going to do. A lot of times people aren't capable of this sort of thing, so they have to use a contractor. There's a small amount of the population that's capable of doing multiple trades just in their spare time very well. I put a roof on one of my buildings. Does that mean I'm a roofer? No. I built an office from scratch by myself. Does that make me an office builder? Well, by God, yes, it does. And I am quite the man indeed, and rugged and handsome. I look like a Confederate general. But I really do believe that people have the right to do whatever they want to do, and if they want to do it, that's fine. I think it's such a small percentage of the population, it really doesn't matter anyway. Most of the population is going to rely on a contractor to supply them with the proper skill and equipment for the type application they have. And I think that if we go try to bad talk anybody trying to do their own thing, what's the point of it? Some of these people out there that are trying to do their own thing that are just Johnny Weekend guys that are normally engineers. I like to think it's mostly engineers. Engineers, they might be better at it than a lot of the guys who do it for a living. So if we open that door, we might get shown up by some of these weekend warriors. We don't want that. So let's let them do their thing. Who cares? What do you guys think about this subject? I know that I don't lose any sleep over this one, but maybe you do. Maybe you think there should be strict guidelines on this. I don't know. I don't follow strict guidelines in general, but maybe you do. Maybe it's for the better. Let me know in the comments what you think, and make sure you put a comment down, because we're going to be giving away some Yellow Jacket stuff really, really soon, and I'm going to take the comments off of one of my recent videos in order to choose a winner. So make sure you're commenting on every video, throw a like on every video, and make sure you're subscribed, lest you miss out and don't win the awesome prize. Okay, guys and gals, God bless all of you, and I'll see you on the next one. TreeTech Tools has a wide variety of great test equipment. Use the Shop Talk discount code to support this show and save 8% off at TreeTech Tools.